Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering up both the Arctis Pro wireless base station and the headset. This ensures they can pair locally. Once done, connect the base station to power and then to your Xbox setup using the optical or USB audio output depending on your console model. This routes game audio. Make sure the headset is in wireless mode and you see the pairing LED. You do this now so the console recognizes the base station as the primary audio device. Next, you configure the Xbox audio settings so sound is sent to the Arctis base station. Go into Settings, then Volume and Audio Output, and choose the appropriate digital audio output, optical if available, otherwise USB with compatible adapters. This determines latency and chat mix. Once selected, set headset audio to stereo or spatial audio depending on preference. Make sure the base station's link LED is green. If it isn't, reseat cables and confirm the Xbox selected that output so audio flows correctly. To finish, you balance chat and game audio using the base station's dial and test your mic in a party or recording app. This confirms both inbound and outbound audio paths. Make sure firmware is current via SteelSeries engine on PC when possible, because versions affect mic routing and stability. If something fails, power cycle the base station, unplug and replug the optical/USB cable, and repair the headset. This simple reset resolves most link and audio negotiation problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.